All right, so this one says a line that's parallel to the equation y equals 5 halves x plus 31 that passes through the point -10, comma 30. So for parallel lines, remember, parallel lines, that means they have the same slope. That's how they're parallel. They have the same rise over run. And that's basically it. They have the same rise over run, and that's it. So then the slope of my parallel line has to be the same as the slope of the current line. Remember, y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope, not the x, the m. That means the number in front of the letter x is the slope. So my slope of the first line is 5 halves. Therefore, the parallel line has to have a slope of 5 halves. So now to write the equation of the line, I'm going to say y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. How did I know to use that formula? Because it's called the point slope formula. Well, they don't give me the slope, but they do, right? They say parallel to this slope, which means it's the same slope. So here's my slope here. And then the point they give me is right here. This is my point. So I'm going to plug that in. Y minus y sub 1, y sub 1 is 30, is equal to my slope, which is 5 over 2 times x minus 10, because x sub 1 is minus 10. When you minus a minus, it becomes a plus. I'm going to distribute this through the parentheses. So 5 halves times x is just 5 halves x. And then off to the side, I probably should note that 5 over 2 times 10 is the same as 10 over 1. And to get the solution or the product of this, I'm just going to multiply across the top and across the bottom. In other words, 5 times 10 is 50. And 2 times 1 is 2, and that reduces down to 25, right? 50 divided by 2 is a positive 25. And so then I've got y minus 30 equals all that stuff. Lastly, I got to get y by itself because all of these look like y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to add 30 to both sides. Whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. And I get y equals 5 over 2x plus 30 plus 25, which is 55. So that is this one right now. Any questions?